Hello, we are here with my very first unboxing video. It is Loungefly, so I'm excited because I'm obsessed with Loungefly, and usually I get Disney stuff, but when I found out that they had the Grinch Collection, I had to get it. So get in here. Oh, it's so cute. I'm so excited, y'all. Yep. Dr. Seuss. They had like 4 really cute bags, but I just thought this was the best. And it's huge. It's way bigger than my other ones. So much paper. They said we're gonna protect this from getting bent up in the mail. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. And the heart, look, so when you turn it this way, the heart is small. And then, oh, it's so cute. His heart grows 3 sizes. I still need my Disney like Christmas one, but I'm thinking about going to Universal this year for the Jubilation, and I really wanted a bag for it, so I don't know. Loungefly girlies, which one should I get for Christmas for Disney? Even though I'm also obsessed with the Tiana one that's about to come out, so I'm thinking about that one too. But this I had to have. I'm still taking paper off. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Okay, finally done. So cute. Like y'all saw the heart. And his little head. Oh my gosh. And then the back. They got this on the back. So spacious. This book bag is huge. Front zipper. More stuffing, and then like the inside writing just says the Grinch. Oh, that's the rest of his face. It's the rest of his face right there. That's so cute. And then this in the inside pocket. More paper. Oh my gosh. Okay, more paper. But anyway, so the inside pocket still looks like this lining. But yeah, I bought it really fast because I thought it was going to sell out. But if I'm not mistaken, today I looked on Loungefly and it was still $80. So they have, what, 4 Grinch ones. And this is the one I got. So stop me from buying the other ones. But yeah, tell me what you think. Would you buy this one? And what other one should I buy? Because I'm really thinking about Tiana. But okay, bye.